Welcome to Aiden Clark Learn. If you are preparing for the IAM Certificate exam and still relying on memorizing notes, you are doing it the hard way. In this video, we will shift your focus toward understanding real exam style, the IAM Certificate Exam Questions that actually build your thinking. These IAM Certificate Exam Questions are designed to improve your decision-making and exam confidence. This is exactly how top candidates prepare to pass the IAM Certificate exam more effectively. Question number 1. Which of the following best describes the primary purpose of asset management within an organization? A. To reduce employee workload. B. To maximize asset value while managing risk and cost. C. To eliminate all maintenance activities. D. To increase asset replacement frequency. Correct answer, B. To maximize asset value while managing risk and cost. Explanation. Asset management focuses on delivering value from assets while balancing cost, risk, and performance. The objective is not just maintenance or replacement, but optimizing the life cycle of assets to support organizational goals efficiently. This ensures assets perform reliably while minimizing unnecessary expenses and operational risks. Question number 2. What is the main goal of life cycle cost analysis? In asset management, A. To calculate employee salaries. B. To estimate total cost over an asset's entire life. C. To determine asset color coding. D. To reduce documentation requirements. Correct answer, B. To estimate total cost over an asset's entire life. Explanation. Lifecycle cost analysis evaluates all costs associated with an asset from acquisition to disposal. This includes purchase, operation, maintenance, and decommissioning costs. The goal is to support informed decision-making by identifying the most cost-effective option over the asset's full operational life, not just initial cost. Question number 3. Which factor is most important when prioritizing assets for maintenance? A. Asset age only. B. Asset appearance. C. Risk and criticality to operations. D. Manufacturer brand. Correct answer, C. Risk and criticality to operations. Explanation. Maintenance prioritization is primarily driven by asset criticality and associated risk. Assets that have a higher impact on operations or safety are prioritized to ensure continuity and reduce potential disruptions. Age or brand may be factors, but they are not as important as operational risk and business impact. Question number 4. What does risk-based asset management primarily focus on? A. Eliminating all risks completely. B. Identifying and managing risks to acceptable levels. C. Ignoring low-value assets. D. Increasing asset quantity. Correct answer, B. Identifying and managing risks to acceptable levels. Explanation. Risk-based asset management involves identifying potential risks associated with assets and managing them to acceptable levels. It does not aim to eliminate all risks, but to balance cost, performance, and safety. This approach helps organizations make informed decisions and allocate resources where they are needed most effectively. Question number 5. What is the role of performance measurement in asset management? A. To track employee attendance. B. To evaluate asset efficiency and effectiveness. C. To replace asset planning. D. To reduce asset usage. Correct answer, B. To evaluate asset efficiency and effectiveness. Explanation. Performance measurement helps organizations evaluate how well assets are performing against defined objectives. It provides insights into efficiency, reliability, and overall effectiveness. This data is essential for continuous improvement, helping organizations adjust strategies, optimize operations, and ensure assets are delivering expected value over time. These IAM Certificate exam questions are designed to help you think like the real exam, not just memorize content. When you practice in this way, you improve your understanding of concepts and increase your chances of selecting the correct IAM Certificate exam answers under pressure. Consistent practice with scenario-based IAM Certificate exam sample questions is the key to success. Keep learning, keep practicing, and build strong conceptual clarity for better results in your IAM certification journey. If you want to fully prepare for the IAM Certificate exam with complete IAM Certificate exam practice question sets, visit Pass for Future. Our full-length practice tests are designed to simulate real exam conditions and strengthen your understanding. Do not rely on memorization. Start practicing smarter today and take your preparation to the next level with Pass for Future.